अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टैम्प इंटरनेशनल पब्लिशर्स। दिस इज तैयबा शकील। प्यारे बच्चों, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर नंबर 7 फोर्सेस एंड सिंपल मशीन के बारे में पढ़ा। हमने फोर्सेस की टाइप्स और सिंपल मशीन्स और कॉम्प्लेक्स मशीन्स को जाना। आज के इस वीडियो में हम उस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। तो प्यारे बच्चों, अपनी किताबें खोलें, हम चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज की तरफ। एक्सरसाइज, सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। What is force? Option A, a type of machine. Option B, a push or pull on an object. Option C, a type of friction. Option D, a type of energy. And the right option is B, a push or pull on an object. Second, which one of the following is a non-contact force? Option A, friction. Option B, magnetic force. Option C, applied force. Option D, muscular force. And the right option is B, magnetic force. Third, what happens when friction is increased? Option A, objects move faster. Option B, objects stop moving easily. Option C, objects become lighter. Option D, objects change shape. And the right option is B, objects stop moving. Objects stop moving easily. Fourth, which one of these is an example of simple machine? Option A, washing machine. Option B, car engine. Option C, pulley. Option D, air conditioner. And the right option is C, pulley. Fifth, why do cars have groove tires? Option A, to make them move faster. Option B, to reduce friction. Option C, to increase grip and prevent slipping. Option D, to make them lighter. And the right option is C, to increase grip and prevent slipping. Fill in the blanks. First, stretching a rubber band is an example of force changing the shape of an object. Second, magnetic and gravitational forces are non-contact forces. Third, the force of attraction or repulsion between two charged objects is called electric force. Fourth, when you pick up a book lying on a table, you are using muscular force. Fifth, a pulley is a simple machine consisting of a wheel with a groove around its rim. प्यारे बच्चों, आपको स्क्रीन पर दो कॉलम्स दिखाई दे रही हैं। आपने कॉलम ए की चीजों को कॉलम बी की चीजों के साथ मैच करना है। इंक्लाइन प्लेन, it matches with ram. Needle, it matches with wedge. Bottle opener, it matches with lever. Doorknob, it matches with wheel and axle. Flagpole, it matches with pulley. Put tick for correct statement and cross for incorrect statement. First, although a force cannot be seen, we can observe its effects. Tick. Second, for a force to increase the speed of a moving object, it must be applied in the opposite direction to the movement of object. Cross. Third, sand is sprayed on icy roads to decrease friction. Cross. Fourth, planets orbit around the sun because of gravitational force. Cross. Answer the questions in short. First, question number 1. What is a force? Write its two effects. And the answer is, a force is a push or a pull on an object. A push and pull can change the movement of object. Effects of force. Force can change the shape of an object. For example, we can stretch a rubber band to change its shape. Force can change the position of an object. For example, we can kick a football and change its position. Question number 2. What is the difference between a contact force and a non-contact force? And the answer is, contact forces. Forces that act between two objects that touch each other are called contact forces. An example of a contact force is friction. Non-contact forces. Non-contact forces forces that act between two objects that are not physically in contact with each other are called non-contact forces. Examples are magnetic forces and gravitational forces. Question number 3. Define balanced forces. And the answer is, forces that are equal in size but opposite in direction are called balanced forces. Balanced forces do not change an object's motion or direction. Question number 4. What is a complex machine? Give examples. And the answer is, complex machines are made up of two or more simple machines working together. Examples include washing machines, sewing machines, and cars. Question number 5. What is a lever? Explain the parts of a lever. And the answer is, a lever is a simple machine that helps lift or move heavy object using a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point called a fulcrum. A lever consists of a fulcrum, the fixed point where the lever pivots. Second, load, the object being lifted or moved. Third, effort, the force applied to move the load. What is friction? How can it be reduced? Give 3 ways to reduce friction. And the answer is, friction is a contact force that slows down moving objects. It occurs when two objects are in contact with each other. Ways to reduce friction. Friction needs to be reduced because the resistance it creates between the surfaces in contact leads to wear and tear. There are several ways to reduce friction. Lubrication. The most common method of reducing friction is by applying lubricants like oil or grease. This makes surface smoother and allows objects to move more easily. Streamlining objects. The more streamlined an object is, the less friction it experiences. Dolphins have streamlined bodies, which help them swim swiftly by reducing friction. Vehicles like cars, submarines, rockets, and ships are designed with the streamlined shapes to minimize air and water resistance. Smoothing surfaces. Friction can also be reduced by decreasing the contact between surfaces. This can be done by using sandpaper or grinding surfaces to make them smoother. Question number 3. What is a wedge? A wedge is a simple triangular machine used to cut, split, or separate objects. It consists of two inclined planes joined together at a sharp edge. Examples of wedges in daily life. A knife with a sharp edge helps cut objects. The tip of a nail makes it easier to insert into wood. A chisel is used for carving and shaping materials. A needle has a pointed tip to pass through the fabric easily. Question number 4. Describe the structures of a pulley. Also give examples in daily life. And the answer is, a pulley is a simple machine consisting of a wheel with a groove around its frame. A rope or chain passes through the groove, helping to lift or move heavy objects. Pulley help reduce the efforts needed to lift objects by changing the direction of force. When you pull down on the rope, the object at the other end lifts up. Examples of pulley in daily life. Flagpoles uses pulley to raise and lower flags. Sailboat uses pulleys to adjust sails. Cranes uses pulleys to lift heavy objects. तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये रही चैप्टर 7 फोर्सेस एंड सिंपल मशीन की एक्सरसाइज। आपने इस एक्सरसाइज को बार बार सॉल्व करना है ताकि इस चैप्टर के कॉन्सेप्ट आपको हमेशा अच्छे से याद रहें। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज।